Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are making homemade potato smiley recipe. This recipe guys is really a fun activity that you can do with your kids. The smiley potato recipe is so delicious. You might think they are tricky to make, but they are super easy guys. So let's get started with the homemade potato smiley recipe. On this recipe I'm using leftover mashed potatoes. You're going to need mashed potato, breadcrumbs, paprika, cornstarch and salt. Let's get started. In a medium bowl, combine mashed potato, cornstarch, paprika, breadcrumbs and salt. Next, we are going to knead this to make a smooth dough. Just like so guys. If you don't have leftover mash, you can make a fresh batch, but be sure to let it cool before you start adding the other ingredients. Now we're gonna cover this and refrigerate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, place the potato dough between 2 plastic wraps and roll it out into 1/2 inch thick discs. If you have been buying the frozen potato smileys from store, you'll never go back to it again guys. They are super simple to make and assemble. Using a biscuit cutter, cut into discs. Then take a straw and poke 2 holes on each disc. Then we're gonna use a spoon to make a smiley. The trick in making this involves 2 important things. One is to boil the potatoes well, but not for a long time, making them soft or overboiled. If done so, they tend to absorb more oil while frying. And last but least, fry them on medium-high heat for 2 minutes on each side. Heat oil and fry potato smileys. Fry them 2 minutes on each side until golden. Then strain from oil and place on a paper towel. This is a kid favorite potato smiley fries recipe. They are delicious, playful, and made from the goodness of 100% real potatoes. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so we stay connected, and like the video. Until next time guys, bye honey for my heart.